Picture this. You're at your favorite cafe, sipping on your favorite latte, while scrolling through business emails on your laptop. But suddenly, you're locked out of your account. You try all the things, even the standard turn it off and on again tactic, but no matter what you do, nothing works. Public Wi-Fi has made working from anywhere the most accessible that it's ever been. But more often than not, our devices are not protected from harm that could occur on those public networks, like getting locked out of your accounts, your data getting scrubbed and sold, or your bank account information getting stolen. This doesn't just apply to your personal devices, but it applies to your business devices as well. Public Wi-Fi may make our digital lives more convenient, but without the right protections, they also make gathering our data from harmful actors more convenient as well. So how do we fix this problem? There are a few ways that you can protect your employees' digital footprint while on a public network. Here at Edge, we recommend all company devices have the following installed. The first is anti-malware. Now, malware is software intentionally designed to cause harm to hardware, leak private information, gain unauthorized access to information or systems, or deprive access to information or systems. And anti-malware's job is to make sure that none of that happens. There are a few factors to consider when picking what anti-malware program is right for your organization. Factors such as compatibility. Does the software work with the programs that your company uses? You could have the best of the best anti-malware installed, but it won't matter if your software your company uses is not compatible with it and you can't do your job. The next is silence. How does the program run in the background? An ideal anti-malware should be invisible and silent. Nobody likes a pop-up, and nobody likes a slow computer. A good anti-malware should catch the problem before it becomes the problem without you even knowing. And finally, quality of protection. Every company has different security needs, but always be sure that your anti-malware protects you from known bad actors as well as zero-day attacks. There are quite a few options out there, but we at Edge are personally fans of CrowdStrike because it reliably stops harmful actors and prevents zero-day attacks before they can get to your data. So now that you have an anti-malware chosen, it's time to upgrade your internet security with a VPN. A VPN is a virtual private network that creates a secure connection between a computing device and a computer network, or between two networks. It hides your IP address by letting the network redirect it through a specially configured remote server that the VPN hosts. This means that if you surf online with a VPN, the VPN becomes the source of your data. So even if someone were to get the hands on your data, it would be useless. So no one would know how often you look at cute cat pics on the internet. So not all VPNs are created equal. So it's important to know the things that you want to prioritize when you're looking for one. Now, some things to consider might be speed. Using a VPN will inevitably slow down your internet connection. But some providers allow for such a small change in speed that you wouldn't really know any better. So you can still win that company Fortnite tournament with low latency while being protected. The next is security. Features like AES 256 encryption and OpenVPN functionality should be on your radar. You may also want to look into VPNs that have an open source feature and accept anonymous payments. And finally, compatibility. Like with the anti-malware, you'll want to make sure that the VPN that you choose is compatible with the programs or the sites that your company uses to run. At Edge, we personally recommend our clients use NordLayer. If your company doesn't already have a physical router for their VPN, NordLayer is the next best thing. You won't really notice any change in speed, and you can easily whitelist your programs or sites that you use with NordLayer. Now, if this sounds like a lot of work, don't worry, you don't have to tackle this alone. At Edge, we're all about helping you reach your security goals while providing clarity every step of the way. Check us out at the link below, and we'll see you in the next one.